Okay, I'm gonna tell you exactly, step by step, what you need to do to be ready to apply for entry-level data analyst jobs in 2026. I am literally going to spoon feed you all of the free courses that you need to take to learn the skills for data analysis from scratch. And no, I'm not sponsored by any of the brands that I'm listing in this video. These are just the free courses that I've taken that helped me learn data analysis from scratch. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do is spend like 5 or 10 minutes just learning what a data analyst is. There's already a couple of TikTok videos that explain this really well, so just go up to the search bar and search for data analyst job explained and you'll find those explainer videos. All right, step 2 is you need to learn the basics of charts, graphs, and basic statistics. You might already know the basics, but if you don't, take Khan Academy's statistics and probability course, but only take units 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. Next, you need to learn Microsoft Excel, but you don't need to be an Excel expert because most data analysts actually use this tool very sparingly. So take Code Academy's Microsoft Excel for Data Analysis course, and it should only take you about 2 hours. Next, you need to learn SQL, and this is where the learning gets a little bit more robust, but I have a couple of free resources that make it feel really easy. First, take Udacity's SQL for Data Analysis course. It's completely free, and they have a SQL compiler in the browser, so you don't have to download any extra software. It also comes with some pretty good assignments and practice projects. After you take Udacity's course, you'll have a pretty solid handle on SQL, but if you want to really solidify your skills, take Harvard University's Intro to SQL and Databases course. This course is a bit more challenging, but I really liked it and I really learned a lot. All right, so now that you have SQL down, you need to learn a visualization tool. I like Tableau. I think it's the most widely used data viz tool, and there's a ton of free courses for Tableau. So start with Tableau's free training videos. They will help you learn the basics very quickly. Then take Simplilearn's free Tableau course. That course will help you get a little bit more practice. The last skill that you need to learn is Python. And technically, I'd say that Python is pretty optional for most entry-level data analyst jobs. But if you know Python, it's really going to help you stand out from the other applicants. Plus, if you want to eventually move up in data analytics and earn more money, you're probably going to need to eventually learn Python. So I really liked Harvard University's Intro to Data Science with Python course. This one is a little bit more advanced than all of the other courses mentioned in this video, but it is really, really solid. All right, so now that you have learned all of the skills, you need to practice them. And this is not optional. I create free data analytics practice projects every month and I post them on my LinkedIn. So you don't need to spend any money, you don't need to sign up for anything, just go through the practice project and ask questions if you have them. All right, so if you do everything in this roadmap, you will spend a grand total of $0 and you will have the skills needed to apply for an entry-level data analyst job in 2026. I hope this helps.